May gaganda pa ba ang buhok mo?
Of course, sa Rejoice. Lalaban na shampoo ko dyan.
Mag-shampoo para malaman. Subukan sa wet hair.
Galing suklayin, no? Tingnan mo, mas madaling suklayin to. Wow!
After drying.
Ang dulas ng buhok ko. Sa akin, kahit fine tooth comb pa, mas madulas. Ang lambot pa. Ang ganda pa ng bagsak, ha? Bagong Rejoice? Kaya pala. Mas mabango pa. Dito na ako talaga.
Bagong Rejoice. Bagong design.
Buhok mo, may igaganda pa.
Walang kasing gandang bagsak sa new Winning Rejoice.
Burger McDo. Sarap-sarap. 15 na lang. Burger McDo. Sarap-sarap. 15 na lang. 15 na lang. Burger McDo. 15 na lang.
Extended to. Sulitin nyo na.
15 na lang.
Tri-Cough, ubong walang ilabas. Masakit, parang kinadena ang dibdib. You need maximum strength Alarin. Alarin increases the needed bronchial fluids to stop Tri-Cough. Alarin, maximum strength to stop Tri-Cough.
Christmas is upon us. But do we understand its true meaning? What ideas of Christmas do we impart to our children? And is Share a Home project beneficial or cruel to orphan kids? Join Jessica Safra, Cher Calvin, Mo Twister, and Dong Puno in an interesting discussion of the Christmas season. Don't miss it. Live this Sunday evening at 10:30 on Studio 23.
From all of us here on Points of View, have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy 1999 in the new year.
Wake up to a new taste. The crispy cornflake that Nestle makes. More crispy, more delicious. It's one great flake, nutritious. Always tasty, not just any flake. It's one great flake.
Iba ang plano ko para sa kanya, Papa. Iba rin ang plano ko. Anak ko siya. Ginagawa mo ito dahil galit ka sa akin. Galit ako sa buhay na pinipilit niyo sa akin. Huwag mo akong susubukan.
Napakadali nating lumimot. Ipinaglaban ang kalayaan, pero nakalimutang pangalagaan. Minana ang yaman ng bayan, pero nakaligta ang pantayan. Marami sanang natutunan, pero bihirang isa lang alang. Hindi lahat ng bago ay nararapat yakapin. Ang simple at payak, di dapat limutin.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Rejoice Rich.
Thank you. Back here on Sharon, mga kaibigan, kasama po nating muli ang ating senador at ang ating amador. Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, of course, and Miss Zenaida Bibot Amador, na nasira po ang reputasyon at siya pala'y pusong mamon. Anyway, Senator, ma'am, what would you consider the joys of having adopted your children?
Oh, they're an absolute delight, and they form our universe. We cannot imagine life without them.
That's true. What about you, Tita Bibot?
Well, he changed my life and my lifestyle. And I think it's great to reach out to another human being.
It's parang your gift na rin to the Lord, di ba? Because He gives you a lot, so you share that with someone better.
Hindi, he's another gift.
That's true. Oo nga, that's true. Pero ano naman po ang message ninyo for your adopted children?
Well, I just want him to be happy and to fulfill his dream and what God planned for him. That's all I want for him. Not to be in the theater or anything, or just to be what he wants to be and to be happy.
Right. What about you, ma'am?
Paintulutan mo sana ako dalawang mensahe ko tungkol sa abortion at tungkol sa adoption. Kung meron sanang buntis na babae ngayon na nakikinig, na nag-iisip na ipa-abort niya ang anak niya, sana huwag lamang. At kung problema talaga, pumunta na lang sa opisina ko sa Senado at ako na lang ang hahanap ng paraan dahil napakaraming mga magulang ang gustong mag-adopt. At ang mga magulang naman na nanonood ngayon na walang mga sariling anak o merong plano na o balak na mag-adopt sila, kung nagpo-problema din kayo, ang opisina ko sa Senado ay magiging handa para makatulong sa inyo kung sa tingin ninyo ay natatakot kayo ng mga legal technicalities o kaya ng paperwork o iba pang mga dimensions. Sana huwag kayong matakot dahil adoption as an alternative lifestyle is almost indescribable. It's one of those serendipitous activities in life that will give you so much more pleasure than you even dreamed of. Kaya kung sana may balak na kayo, ituloy na ninyo at kung may problema, maaari naman akong makatulong sa inyo.
Ay, salamat. Yung mga kaibigan ko po pupunta sa inyo, ma'am.
Alright, sure.
Ayan po. And what can you say to Molly and Megan?
Molly and Megan, Molly will definitely become I think a lawyer, and Megan's going to be a doctor. And they are both against the impeachment of President Clinton, although they want him to be rebuked.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Senator Miriam Santiago. And of course, ang isa pong pillar ng Philippine Theater, the one and only Ms. Zenaida Bibot Amador. Salamat po sa inyo. You made our Christmas most special. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
And
asking
this song is for you. God bless you, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
Lahat ay tahimik, pati mga tala sa bughaw ng langit, kay hinhin ng hangin, wari umiibig sa kapayapaan ng buong daigdig.
I don't know anymore how to thank you, how to express to you that you are really, we didn't expect you to be so, talagang sobra pa pala sa expectation namin ng kabaitan ng anak ko. At saka yung parang talagang napaka matulungin, napaka maalalahanin. Sana magkaanak na siya because he wants to have a baby. And I know the Lord is only maybe testing her. I appreciate what you have done for us and Dad. Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you, Mom.
Ang gabi payapa, lahat ay tahimik, pati mga tala sa bughaw ng langit, pati mga tala sa bughaw ng langit. Visits the website. I hope to get around to it very soon. It's a very busy time, but please keep on visiting www.sharoncunera.com. I love you, everyone. God bless you. We'll see you on Sunday. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Senator. Thank you, Tita Bibot. Thanks, Mega Band. Merry Christmas, Direk.
All I got was how disappointed everyone was in me, how I'd let them all down. So I called the Sisters and I put you up for adoption.
Amanda!